Drums, one of the oldest instruments known to humankind. When programming drums digitally with hardware and software, you don't want to lose that human feel. So let's talk about that and learn a few other things in the process.
Hey, you ready to click in some notes? We'll start with the snare drum. Pro tip, if you make a selection and then hit Command or Windows D, it'll duplicate it for you so you don't have to click as much. Add in some kick and hi-hats, and yeah, simple is good. That's where we'll start. But let's say we want to open things up a little bit more. Changing the velocity of certain hits can make your drums breathe a little bit, so to speak. Now, if we really want to move things, the swing or the groove pool in Ableton is how things really come alive. It humanizes it, as they say. Quantization can fix errors or things that are off the beat. 16th notes is what we'll select here, but it can put things back on track. Now, in GarageBand, we can tell artificial intelligent robot drummers exactly how we want them to play, like, hey, more hi-hat, less kick, and a little bit more swing. Yeah, we can even say, hey, how about an 808 on that? Ooh. Now, let's say there's a little contention growing between the drummer and yourself. You can tell him to go away and get a different drummer. Yeah.